Hello, this is the final response to domain 3, D, and E. And I always like to do the final response in regards to what I need to do as an evaluator. So as I listen to you in your videos today, I try to listen and take what you're saying in terms of being a future administrator. And so these are some of the things that I took away from you today. An evaluator should be able to assess 3D, a teacher's use of assessments, either through the observation, or it's possible that we need to do that during discussion time with them post-observation. During a class, an evaluator should see a teacher noting student understanding through questions and answers, and you should see students assessing themselves in class according to the standards they've been given or the set of criteria that they've been given. A teacher should be able to provide evidence of assessment and how they responded to students who didn't achieve success when they were in a post-observation conference with us. The teacher should also be able to provide evidence of feedback and the use of feedback to provide interventions for students in order to increase assessment as well. Using questioning or assessment not only provides evidence of learning, but also it builds the student's knowledge and ability to think critically. While in pre- and post-conferences, an evaluator may see evidence of 3E, which involves teacher monitoring and adjusting instruction based on how the students are receiving it. A teacher may explain his or her response to student success or lack of success during instruction to us while we are in a post-conference. This may also be observed during the observation when a teacher makes an adjustment to the planned lesson because of evidence of success or lack of success by the student. While in class, an evaluator should see a teacher using teachable moments where something is said or done in the classroom that a teacher can relate the content to for the sake of connecting to their students. And we also may see teachers incorporate student interest and daily circumstances into the lesson in order to connect with them and help them reach success.